Good morning, students. Today we will be going to learn about a new kind of particle constituting a matter known as an ion. So open page number 36 of your NCERT textbook and come to topic 3.3.3, that is, what is an ion? Students, we have already learnt that a compound is a substance in which elements are chemically combined together in fixed ratio of their masses. Now students, there are certain compounds which are composed of metals and non-metals, and these compounds contains charged species. For example, sodium chloride. Here, sodium is a metal whereas chlorine is a non-metal. That means this compound is formed between a metal and a non-metal. In sodium chloride, the constituent particles are Na positive and Cl negative. Here, the constituent particles are carrying charges. In case of sodium, it is positive charge, and in case of chlorine, it is negatively charged, which means sodium chloride is formed between two charged species. Such kind of charged species are called ions. In simple words, an ion is a positively or negatively charged atom or a group of atoms. For example, Na plus 1 or PO4 minus 1, which means charge can be present on an atom as well it can also be present on a molecule. So any charged atom or a molecule is called an ion. Now these ions are further classified as a cation or as an anion. So first of all, what is a cation? A cation is a positively charged ion. That means that ion on which positive charge is present, that is called a cation. For example, sodium ion, that is Na plus 1. Similarly, an anion is a negatively charged ion. That means that ion on which negative charge is present. For example, Cl minus 1. So sodium is a cation and chloride is a anion. So we learned that an ion is an atom or a group of atoms carrying a charge. Now students, if the charge is present on group of atoms, that means if a charge is present on a molecule, then that particular ion is called a polyatomic ion, and its definition is given on page number 37 in the very first line of the first column. That means a group of atoms carrying a charge is known as a polyatomic ion, which means when a molecule carries a charge, then that ion is called a polyatomic ion. For example, ammonium, in which the positive charge is present on a group of atoms, that is 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen atoms. Hydroxide, nitrate, hydrogen carbonate, carbonate, sulfate, sulfite, phosphate. These are the examples of polyatomic ions.